Dell Technologies D-ISM-FN-01 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. Which of the following is the primary benefit of implementing capacity monitoring in a storage infrastructure? A. Detecting configuration changes in storage components. B. Quickly identifying hardware failures that cause downtime. C. Monitoring and controlling unauthorized access attempts. D. Anticipating storage shortages to avoid service disruptions. The answer is D. Capacity monitoring helps track current usage and growth trends, enabling administrators to plan for future storage needs. By identifying when space is running low, organizations can prevent outages and performance degradation, ensuring smooth operations. Which of the following best describes the role of an archiving server in a data storage environment? A. Provides policy configuration for archiving data. B. Deploys agents directly on the archive storage system. C. Identifies and scans application data eligible for archiving. D. Generates stub files on the archive storage system. The answer is A. An archiving server manages the archiving process by applying rules and policies that determine which data should be archived and when. It does not create stub files or install agents on storage devices. Instead, it controls and enforces the data lifecycle policies to optimize storage usage. A capacity planning report for a storage infrastructure typically provides which type of information? A. Total storage units available, used, and their associated cost. B. Current and historical utilization of storage, file systems, and ports. C. Hardware purchase dates, software licenses, and maintenance contracts. D. Historical performance trends of various IT infrastructure components. The answer is B. Capacity planning reports focus on usage data over time, such as how much storage space, file system capacity, and port bandwidth is being consumed. This helps administrators forecast future growth needs and avoid resource shortages. In the context of IT infrastructure security, what is the best definition of an attack surface? A. All potential entry points that could be exploited by an attacker. B. The sequence of steps required to successfully execute an attack. C. The level of effort needed to exploit a specific vulnerability. D. The process of identifying which system components are under attack. The answer is A. An attack surface refers to the sum of all possible access points, such as applications, ports, services, and user interfaces, that attackers can use to infiltrate a system. Reducing the attack surface minimizes the number of opportunities for a breach. Which compute system component allows administrators to dynamically extend file system capacity and manage storage efficiently? A. Logical unit number, LUN. B. LUN masking. C. Logical volume manager, LVM. D. Virtual memory manager. The answer is C. A logical volume manager abstracts physical storage and presents it as logical volumes. This enables flexible storage management, such as dynamically resizing file systems, combining disks, and simplifying storage allocation without disrupting applications. What is the main advantage of using incremental backups instead of cumulative backups for the same dataset? A. Backup operations take longer to complete. B. Less storage space is required for backup copies. C. More storage capacity is needed for each backup. D. Faster restore process requiring only 2 backup copies. The answer is B. Incremental backups only capture data that has changed since the last backup, whether full or incremental. This makes them faster and more storage efficient compared to cumulative backups, which repeatedly back up all changes since the last full backup. Which specialized replication technique allows data to be transferred between storage systems within a data center, across different data centers, and between on-premises infrastructure and the cloud? A. Data deduplication. B. Data migration. C. Data backup. D. Data archiving. The answer is B. Data migration is the process of transferring data between storage systems or across environments, including cloud platforms. Unlike backup or archiving, which focus on protection and long-term retention, migration ensures data is moved efficiently to support infrastructure upgrades, consolidation, or hybrid cloud strategies. Which Dell EMC solution offers a software-defined storage platform capable of delivering both block and file storage services? A. XtremeIO. B. PowerMax. C. FastVP. D. VPLEX. The answer is D. Dell EMC-VPLEX is a software-defined storage solution that provides virtualization and supports both block and file storage services across heterogeneous storage systems. It enables data mobility, high availability, and workload balancing within and across data centers. A company deploys an intrusion detection and prevention system, IDPS, to monitor network traffic. Which IDPS technique relies on a database of known attack patterns to detect threats? A. Role-based. B. Profile-based. C. Signature-based. D. Anomaly-based. The answer is C. Signature-based IDPS compares network traffic against a database of predefined patterns, signatures, associated with known attacks. It is highly effective for detecting previously identified threats but less effective against zero-day or unknown attacks. Which data protection solution allows administrators to choose the backup technology that best fits current requirements or workload demands? A. Agent-based backup. B. Cloud-based backup. C. File-based backup. D. Image-based backup. The answer is B. Cloud-based backup solutions offer flexibility to select the most appropriate backup method, such as full, incremental, or differential, based on workload, storage requirements, and recovery objectives. This on-demand approach helps optimize costs, performance, and storage efficiency.